About this item: SFF-8643 to SFF-8482 Mini-SAS to SAS breakout cable, internal mini SAS HD connector, male connect to SAS controller or motherboard, SAS 29Pin SFF-8482 connectors with SATA power connect to backplane or 4HDD. Each SAS 29Pin SFF-8482 adapter contains SATA 7-pin data and SATA 15-pin power connector. Note: SFF-8643 to 4 SFF-8482 cable do not work with SAS driver. Do not connect SFF-8643 on your backplane, otherwise the mini SAS HD to SAS breakout will not work with the mini SAS to 4 SAS/. SFF-8643 to 429-pin SFF-8482 SAS 8643 host connect SAS HBA/ORPC controller, mini SAS to SAS SFF-8643 SAS forward breakout link between the serial SCSI controller and the SATA disks. Need to attach SATA power cables to each SAS to SATA adapter connector, SAS 8643 8000